Hello friends, today I'm going to clean this desktop PC. First let me switch off because it's on. So let me switch it off first. So it's shutting down now. And then you have to take out all the cables at the back. Okay, switched off now. And now I'm taking all the cables from the back. So if you see the panel here, so if you see the panel now, if you see there's already the dust, or the dust is already there, look. So but if you do it this way, the dust will be surrounded by everywhere. So what you have to do is you need a hoover or vacuum cleaner. So basically you need a vacuum cleaner. So as you use the brush, so make sure it's all sucks up by this vacuum cleaner. So let's do it now this way first. Fan here now is all been dusted, so we'll use the same thing here, and then individually we have to go to every this gap. Okay, so now I will just put a brush in these grooves and get it clean. So you basically clean all these ports where all the cables go. So make sure these are clean as well. So I'm using a small brush so to go in this groove, and then you need to clean all this fan. So if you see here, so basically with one side you have to hold with a screwdriver or something like that. So I'm going to do all this. Now if you see I've cleaned here, if you see all that fan now, you can see it's properly cleaned. You can use a earbud also. So now I'm opening this panel one side. One screw. So you take this panel out. Just give a nice wipe. Wherever you can find, use the brush and use the hoover at the same time. See if you see there's all dust everywhere. Okay. So if you see this fan. Okay, so I'm using the hoover at the same time. This fan, which actually cools the motherboard. So if you see inside, see if you, all those wings or the grooves are been dusted. So you use this type of small brush and use the hoover at the same time to suck it all the dust. Otherwise, it will be spread everywhere. Okay. So if you see now, all the dust has been sucked by that vacuum cleaner. Now see, it's completely clean. Okay, and that's it. So I'm putting the panel back and this screw. So basically you don't need anything like chemical or anything to clean it, because it's just a dust which builds up, and you just have to dust it. You have to do this least a yearly to keep this running. Because this will give you this will work for a long time. Okay, now I connected the cables at the back, so I'm like switching it on. Okay, there we go. It's already started, and I hope you will enjoy this video and do your cleaning of your PC, desktop PC. Thank you for watching.